In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import to Zen Browser. If you're moving to Zen and want your essentials, bookmarks, browsing history, saved login information, and more, to come with you, the built-in import tool makes it quick and reliable. We'll walk through it step by step, and I'll share a few tips so everything lands exactly where you expect. First, open Zen Browser. Bring it to the foreground so we can work inside its settings. Next, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots. This is the main menu. From there, click Settings. Settings opens in a new tab, and by default, you should land on the General section. If you're already familiar with Zen, you might have customized a few things here. That's totally fine. While you're in General, scroll if needed and find the area labeled Import Browser Data. When you see it, click Import Data. This is the command that launches the migration tool and gathers a list of browsers that Zen can read from on your device. Now choose the browser data you want to bring over. In practice, that means picking the source browser, like the one you used previously, and selecting the categories you want to import, such as your bookmarks or other site data. Take a moment to review the options so you only move what you need. When you're ready, click Import. Zen will process your selection and copy the items into the right places for you. Depending on how much information you have, this might take a few moments. Keep the window open until Zen finishes. When the import completes, you should see confirmation in the same window. At that point, you can return to your main browsing window and spot check a few items. Your bookmarks bar should reflect what you had before, your history should be searchable, and your saved login information will be available when you visit familiar sites. A couple of quick notes as you finish up. Only browsers installed on your device appear in the import list, and some categories may be unavailable depending on the source browser's permissions. If you don't see something you expected, you can simply rerun the importer and adjust your selections. It won't duplicate items you already have. That's all there is to it. You've successfully imported to Zen Browser, keeping your browsing experience consistent and familiar.